In this video, we'll show you how to make and receive calls using the TeleCloud Mobile Pro app. First, open the app. You'll land on the home page, which is also the keypad screen. This is where you'll place your calls. Using the keypad, you can dial an internal extension, whether it's 3 or 4 digits, or an external number for outbound calls. You can also search for specific contacts by pressing on the open text field, which will open your keyboard. Once you are ready, tap the green call button to dial out. Once your call connects, you'll see several in-call features. Under the caller information, you'll see buttons for returning to the home screen, mute, and speakerphone. Under that, you'll see options for keypad for auto attendance, hold to place the caller on hold, call recording to record the call, transfer to send the call to another extension, add call to add another participant and create a conference call, attended transfer, which allows you to speak to the recipient before completing the transfer. To end the call, simply press end call. To receive calls in the Mobile Pro app, make sure your answering rules are configured to ring your mobile device. You can set it so your Mobile Pro app rings along with your desk phone, or by itself. When a call comes in, whether through your direct number, extension, or via transfer, you'll see a pop-up notification on your screen. You can tap the blue checkmark to answer, or tap the pop-up notification to open the full call screen and answer here. Once you've answered, you'll have the same call controls available as before. That's it. You're now ready to make and receive calls using the TeleCloud Mobile Pro app.